Hi everyone and welcome. Today I want to spend a little time to show you how I set up my Sony A7rVI for dual back button focus. This is going to give you two separate focus systems at the tip of your finger without having to switch in and out of the menu system. This means, for example, you can instantly switch from a wide to a single point focus without having to look away from the subject. This is going to work for most Sony cameras, so stick with me today and I'll show you how you can set this up. So step one is to remove the autofocus from the shutter button. Now, as I'm sure everybody already knows, by doing this we're going to remove the front shutter button from focusing with a half press. And this will allow us to focus only when we press the back buttons. To do this, we select the purple menu, Autofocus Manual Focus. And then right down near the bottom, we've got Autofocus with Shutter. We want to make sure that that is turned to off. And that's it. The front shutter half press is now disabled. Step 2, we want to make sure that the camera's subject recognition is turned on. This takes advantage of Sony's absolutely amazing autofocus system to make sure that whenever we press either back button, the camera is going to lock on to the subject and focus. So in our purple menu, we're going down to subject recognition and make sure that subject recognition in autofocus is turned on. Now, just below this, we have recognition target. I've got this at auto at the moment, but if you want to give Sony's autofocus a little bit of a help, we can change this to animal, bird, for example. But for the time being, auto does a pretty good job. Now, if you are going to be doing quite a lot of changing between different animals, birds, insects, for example, you can actually reduce the target set so that it's quicker to change. But I would just leave all these selected for the time being. Step 3 now, we have to turn on the autofocus registration to allow us to pick our second button. This is the key step to enable dual back button focusing. So, still in the purple menu, we're going to go to Focus Area and then down to AF Area Registration and make sure that this is turned on. When you select this, you'll now get a message popping up on your screen saying that you can now register a focus area by long pressing the function button in the shooting screen, and this will allow us to pick the button that we need. Step 4, we now need to set up a custom key for our second autofocus button. For ease of use, I would suggest you want this second button to be fairly close to your AF on button. To do this, we're going to drop down to the yellow menu, and the third option is Operation Customize, where we're going to set up a custom key or dial set. This will bring up an image of the camera, and as you can see on the back of my camera, I have my standard button 2 AF on, and button 1 is the one I want to pick to change. So if we select button 1, we want to make this button Reg AF Area plus AF on. This means my old AEL button is now set up for registration for my second focus set. Now we're all ready to set up the two autofocus areas as we want them. So now in our normal shooting screen, we want to start by setting up our secondary back button focus button, the old AEL button. So go into the focus area select. In my camera this is from the function key, and we're going to choose the focus area that we want for our second button. For me this is extra small tracking so that I can switch quickly to a very narrow field. Now all we have to do is hold down the function key for a couple of seconds and a message will pop up saying the focus area is registered. The final step now is to choose the focus area I want for my standard focusing. So I open up the focus area menu again, and in this case I'm going to change my focus back to a tracking zone focus. This allows the camera to do most of the work in identifying subjects, locking onto them. And that's it. The shooting screen now shows both focus areas active. So with the AF on, I have a wide focus area. Pressing quickly the AEL, I have a narrow focus area. So give it a try, and I hope you never ever miss that vital shot again. If this video has helped you, then please hit the like and subscribe as it will help our channel develop and grow. Thank you.